The scriptures that I run across, no, rephrase that. The scriptures that I have wrote down in my journal were divinely guided messages. Every scripture that I have wrote down according to my situation and circumstances at this particular moment on these particular days, the scripture meant something different every time. But it all boiled down to one thing, in that I was in alignment. For one, I was understanding and following what was being divinely guided to me. But no, on a serious note, Isaiah 40:27, May 5th, 2024, July 7th, 2024, August 16th, 2024, September 26th, 2025. Before that, November 4th, 2024, then September 26th, 2025. So September 26th, 20. So September 26th, 2025, was the last time I came back to this particular journal. I have several things, but I'm opening myself up to you guys, my journal, so that you can understand that this really is a safe space. It really is. I don't care to know your business, nothing like that. We all face a lot of things in our lives, but we all still have to encourage one another, uplift one another, let it go, let it flow. And it just so happens that it's a part of your healing process. And some of us choose to do it this way as a coaching mechanism, though. Not just for me as a person, but for the next person, but also being led biblically to do so. Not for no fame, not for no attention, none of that. I actually enjoy doing this. So, that's Isaiah 40:27. Why do you complain, Jacob? Why do you say, Israel,